Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2017 Toyota Prius V2. It is in the toasted walnut pearl exterior with the black cloth interior. It is going to be a pre-owned vehicle with around 2,500 miles on it. Coming down here to our wheels, we're riding on Michelin tires. These are going to be your 16-inch alloy wheels. And coming around back, rear backup camera as well as a rear wiper. Coming in, we do have our smart key access system, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, as far as mileage, 2540. Foot on the brake, button to power up. And we'll go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, we have the 1.8 liter dual overhead cam i4. It's going to be connected to Toyota's hybrid synergy drive power plant, producing a net horsepower output of 134, 105 foot-pounds of torque, all routed to the front wheels through a CVT continuously variable transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that black cloth interior as we previously mentioned. It's going to have your white contrast stitching, 6x manual adjustments. You also do have your Prius V floor mats below there. Nice padded armrest, all automatic windows, power locks, power mirrors, door storage, and a puddle light down below that. Then coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. Audio as well as Bluetooth and voice commands over here on the left. Over on the right, we do have our temperature controls split with our display and trip for our gauges up top. Headlights, high beams, and blinkers over here, and then over on the right, just your wiper controls for front and rear. And then up top we do have our digital gauge cluster. Everything that would be shown normally in front of the steering wheel is just shown up here, closer to your line of sight in digital form, which is nice. Below that we do have our audio screen. Checking out our sources, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs on this model. Set up various vehicle settings, and then your car you do have your energy monitor, trip information, past records, and then back to that energy monitor. Here's going to be the transmission shifter for your CVT, foot on the brake, over and up for reverse, rear view backup camera right there, over and down for drive, and then just press P for park right here. Then here's going to be your climate controls. It is a single zone automatic system, so you do have your temperature control right here. Set your temperature, press automatic, and leave it if you'd like to, or you can manually control fan speed, temperature, and zones. Below that, audio inputs as well as your 12-volt. Little hidden cup holder right there to complement your one up top with your drive mode selector, EV, Eco, and Power. Padded armrest with plenty of room and a storage shelf down in there. Dual glove boxes over here. All your owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with some map lights up top and some sunglass storage. And so that'll be it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Coming back here, you do have your black cloth interior. Contrast white stitching follows through as well. This is a 60/40 bench, so it does slide and adjust as well as recline individually in each portion. Controls for reclining are right there, and then your bars to slide are underneath the seats. Door panel materials follow through with your padding, automatic window, and storage. And then front seat set by 5'9" driving frame, plenty of room. We also do have some cup holders down here. Rear seat mat pocket. And then, of course, adjustable headrest and a 3-point seat belt for your middle passenger right here. Damped cornering handles and coat hooks, as well as a dome light up top. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we will wrap up the video. Then coming around back, just to press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo. Open up your hatch. Plenty of room behind your rear seats, but they do fold down 60/40 to expand cargo room even more. You do have your tonneau cover down here. It is stored as well as some storage, and beneath those styrofoam cubbies, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack. You have a 12-volt outlet over there, and then over on this side, illumination, D-rings in all four corners to tie down larger items. So we'll go ahead and close it up. And so that'll be it for this 2017 Toyota Prius V2. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.